Good morning, everybody. This week we're focusing on fractions, and we're going to be focusing on the 4 rules of numbers, so addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Each video should take you through one of those operations, so you should have 4 videos that you can access from the YouTube channel. Today we're going to have a look at addition of fractions. So let's start off without mixed numbers, just our fractions. So say we've got 2/4 and we want to add 1/3. The first thing we need to do is find the lowest common denominator. 12 is a multiple of 4 and 3. 4 times 3 is 12. Now remember the rule, whatever you've done to the bottom, you need to do to the top. So here we multiply 4 by 3, therefore we need to multiply 2 by 3. 2 times 3 is 6. 3 was multiplied by 4, therefore 1 must be. 1 times 4 is 4. Once you've done that, draw a line and put your fraction underneath, your denominator underneath. So we're talking about 12ths. Then you can write 6 add 4 above it. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 twelfths. Now if you get that as an answer, that's fantastic, I'm happy. Stop there if you're comfortable stopping there. If you want to go further and you want to simplify the fraction, then feel free to do so. So we're looking for a factor of 12 that's also a factor of 10. In this case, we could divide 10 by 2 and we can divide 12 by 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 12 divided by 2, 6. So you can simplify it to 5/6. Another example, if we've got 3/10 and I want to add 1/5, notice here that actually 10 is a multiple of 5. Therefore, we'll keep that 10 and we'll multiply 5 by 2 to get 10. Whatever we do to the bottom, we do to the top. The 10 stays the same, therefore 3 stays the same. We multiplied the 5 by 2 though here, so 1 multiplied by 2 gives us 2. Draw the line, 10, because we're talking tenths, and put your 3 plus 2 above it. 3 plus 2 is 5, therefore we have 5/10. Again, I will accept that as the answer, fantastic. If you've understood this process, that's brilliant. But you might look at this and go, actually, I can simplify that further. A factor of 5 and 10 is 5. So 5 divided by 5 is 1. 10 divided by 5 is 2. So that will simplify down to a half. But if you get to that point, that's fine, that's beautiful. I'm happy with that. Okay. Now the other thing you will come across is the addition of mixed numbers. So again, trying to keep it simple, 1 and 2/3 add 1 and 1/4. Before you do anything, my group should always, whether it's addition or subtraction of mixed numbers, convert into improper fractions. So we've got 1 and 2/3. I've got 3/3 in this hole. So that's 1 lot of 3/3. 1 times 3 is 3. And these 2/3, 5. 5/3. Here we've got 1 1/4, so I've got 4/4 in that one, so that's 1 lot of 4/4. 1 times 4, 4, add 1, 5. 5/4. Once you're at this point, it's back to what we were doing before. Find the lowest common denominator. In this case, 3 times 4 is 12. Whatever you do to the bottom, do to the top. So we multiply 3 by 4. So multiply 5 by 4. 5 times 4 is 20. Here we multiply 4 by 3, so 5 times 3, 15. Well done. Now we can write it out. Put our 12 underneath. It's getting a bit squashed. 20 add 15. I'm going to bring it down here now. So 20 add 15 is 35 over 12. Ignore that little line there. Now that's an improper fraction. If you get that far, brilliant, well done. If you want to take it further, Because it's an improper fraction, we can turn it into mixed numbers. So how many lots of 12 twelfths can we get out of 35 twelfths? 12 twelfths make a whole. So 35 divided by 12, 2. Okay, so that's 2 lots of 12, 24. That means we're left with 11. You take that 24 away from your 35, you see that we're still left with 11 twelfths. If you do that, great, fantastic. It's always worth giving it a go, but if you don't worry. If you get this far, that's fine. I'm happy with that. We can do the rest later on in the academic year. Okay. So very big well done. Thank you for watching, and next video, subtraction. Okay, take care.